The fuel gauge on this Sprinter van is not working. But lucky for you and for me and for my customer, gas gauges are pretty simple. The problem isn't with the fuel pump itself. It's actually with a harness going from the fuel pump to the fuel gauge. That's the good news. The bad news is that it is raining. I have to put the van back together so the customer can use it for his work, for his business. That means when this cable comes in the mail, I'm gonna have to drop the tank again, and at least now I know I just unplug both ends of the harness. I don't have to drop the tank all the way. It's not gonna be a big deal.
Your call may be recorded for quality assurance purposes. For information on our privacy.
Full support, just Paul. I am ready.
907-540-6712. All right, we got our cable in. I put the new harness in, I drive around the corner, I have a fuel gauge reading, and then the van cuts out because the fuel pump wasn't pumping fuel to the engine. Fail. Gigantic fail. Did we not test continuity on this? All right, I finally got the new wiring harness in. Let's go out and put it in. Just to recap, I dropped the tank once to find the broken wires, put it back up. I dropped the tank a second time to install the new harness. Put it back up, it didn't work. Dropped it a third time to put the old harness back in, because whenever I installed the first harness, the fuel pump wasn't pumping fuel, but the gas gauge was working now. Now, for the fourth time, I've dropped the tank, put another harness in, and I haven't put it all the way back up yet. We have a fuel gauge. Okay,